So if you've got criminal fines or parking tickets, traffic tickets, can you get those discharged in a bankruptcy? Watch our next video and find out. So this is a question that comes up when we're meeting with clients for filing bankruptcy, is some clients may have criminal fines, traffic tickets, parking tickets, and they want to know if they can discharge those in bankruptcy. Well, unfortunately, the answer is no. Those fines have to be paid. Now, the next question is, well, can I just put them into my repayment plan if I'm doing a Chapter 13 bankruptcy? Well, usually, now you have to list them. So we have to list any folks that you owe, because the code says you have to list all your debts and all your assets. But in terms of adding them into a repayment plan, typically the answer is no. Those are debts that you will actually pay directly. So if you have probation fees, if you owe parking tickets, those creditors are not going to file a claim in your case to be paid. They're going to demand that those payments be paid directly. So understand that if you file bankruptcy and you do have criminal fines, you have unpaid parking tickets or speeding tickets, you're going to have to get with those agencies to pay them directly. So make sure, if that's something that you have, let your attorney know, because we can put those in your budget for our Chapter 13 clients. We can put, you've got this monthly payment, could be probation fine, something like that. So we can put that in your budget so that you can show, hey, I don't have this extra money because I'm having to pay this. But understand that typically in Chapter 13 bankruptcy, those aren't going to be repaid. The creditors aren't going to file a claim in the case. You're going to just need to make sure you pay those directly. Otherwise, you are going to have major issues with those creditors because they are criminal fines while you're going through your case. So just make sure, if you do have those kinds of issues, reach out to the creditor, find out what kind of repayment plans are available so that when you file bankruptcy, you're not getting blindsided because you assume that those debts were included. For Chapter 7 clients, just know, of course, we have to list them in the bankruptcy. Some people think just because the debt's listed in the bankruptcy that it goes away. And that's not true. There's a whole group of debts that are non-dischargeable debts. And if you go to our website, we have a page that addresses that in great detail in terms of non-dischargeable debts. So these are debts that will survive your bankruptcy discharge. So make sure if you get a chance, you go to our website. It is listed below, and take a look at our link for non-dischargeable debts, so you know if you are thinking about bankruptcy, what debts you can get rid of and what debts you can't. If you've got a question about criminal fines or parking tickets, any kind of fines in bankruptcy, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're happy to answer any questions about that or anything related to consumer bankruptcy.